In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a course. So if you go to memberships and go to courses products, you will see your course here. If you don't already have one, you can create new here. But if you already have one that we may have set up for you and you just need to edit it, you would go ahead and click into this. And depending on what you need to edit depends on where you would go. So anything for the course itself, these are the modules. These are the lessons. You can also have sub modules, which can then have lessons. So it really depends on how granular you want to get here. But everything has a edit pencil on it, and you can edit accordingly. So this would be to edit the module name. You can have a description and a picture for it. And then this would be to edit the lesson itself. So in here, you can upload a picture or a video file. This is the lesson name, the description. You can have any downloadable resources and a thumbnail for the lesson itself. So this is what they would see before clicking into it. So if you wanted that, you can also, for uploading here, you can either do a device, import from a link, or embed media. So whatever is easier for you, and then you will always save and publish. This does show published. If for some reason you did not want it to be published, it could be locked. So they would have to do something in your course first in order to unlock it, or you can draft it if you just want to hide it for now and it not be available. So that is how you would edit there. If you want to add content, you can click this and you can add anything that you may need here. An assignment, which could be used for the lock feature. A quiz, same thing, can be used to unlock something. They have to complete this first in order to do that. You can have a welcome badge if you want to. And then this one is the course completion credential, also optional. If you don't want something, there's a trash can for everything. And then it will ask you, are you sure you want to delete? Type delete below to actually delete. So here, you would just delete this. If you want to actually edit any of the details on your course, you would go to details here. You can change the title of it, the description, the course thumbnail itself. There are instructor details here if you wanted to add your bio and information here as the instructor. And then you can customize with your logo and favicon if you want. And then if you have anybody that does custom coding and you want something custom coded, then you would do the advanced section here. And don't forget to save every time. Then for customizing, this is the general theme. So you can change this. This is just the actual template. So when they log in, this is how they would see this. So you can come in here and you can change the color theme, the text theme, the background image here. You can change header, the hero, the body, and the sidebar. So everything here can be customized, branded to your colors, all of that fun stuff. So I would go through each of these. There's a progress block. Do you want a progress block, which is this line here? If not, you can hide that. If you want certain links that they can reference at all times, you can do that over there on the sidebar and just have that ready to go. So there are a lot of features that you can update here for this here. And then as far as comments, you can turn off comments. You can also enable comments. So when people are going through modules and lessons, they are allowed to comment on things, or you can turn that off if that's not something that you want to happen. And then for offers, so you would need this to be able to automate them getting access as they purchase, but basically this could act as a landing page for them to purchase this product or course and then automatically get into the course. Or you can set it up through a full automation, which is a different process. So if that is something that you were considering doing, let us know. We can kind of talk through what that looks like. It just takes a little more steps. But this is the general outline, and this is how you would edit a course.